What is that? Look at those footprints! Huh?
A monster!
A monster? A monster? Ahmad, मुझे बचाओ! डरो मत! Follow me! Be careful, Quacky! Where did they go? I don't know. No. Where is the monster? Billy, अपने पाँव देखो. The footprints are yours. ये बिल्ली था.
It was Billy!
Let's go to school. Let's go.
What is this? ये क्या है?
ये क्या है?
ये क्या है? It is a footprint. ये एक पाँव का निशान है. ये एक पाँव का निशान है. What is this? What is this?
What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? It is a footprint.
ये क्या है?
It is a footprint.
Excellent! Excellent! Toot toot. What is this?
My shoe. See you in the next lesson. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Pak English House.